Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can cancel your order on Temu, so let's get right into it. Now, all you need to do to cancel your order is to find your order in your account section, and then just click on the cancel button once you select which order you want to cancel. Now, I don't have any orders currently going on, however, I will explain to you where you can find them, and then how you can cancel them. Now, the process slightly differs between the PC and the mobile version. On the app, you first have to go into the U menu, and then you'll see the orders menu right there. The U menu is just the middle icon at the very bottom of the screen that says U. You can just go there, and then you'll find your orders, and you can cancel them from there. Now, on the PC, you just need to go into orders and account, and then click on your orders. And once you're there, you'll see all your orders. Now, I'm pretty sure you cannot cancel the order once it's shipped or delivered. Well, once it's delivered, of course you can't. You'll need to make a return. However, while it's processing, you can still cancel that order. So go into your processing tab to filter your orders by the ones that are currently processing, and then find the order that you want, select it, and then just click on the cancel button before the order gets shipped. And that should be pretty much it. Now, the process for delivered items is of course a bit different. You do need to make a return, you need to ship it back to them, and then you will get your refund. However, while it's being shipped, you just need to wait for it to be delivered, and after that you will be able to return it once that's done. But yeah, pretty much only the processing orders can be canceled, and that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.